Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe video update. Pepe the frog. And one more thing is, do not disturb Adam, man. Don't disturb Adam, because I have a truck and inside that truck I'm actually loading bulls. Okay, I'm loading a lot of bulls. I'm busy. I'm very busy, super busy planning the future of cryptocurrency because I know I've heard you, okay? I've listened to what you guys have been talking about, that it's boring and 2023 hasn't been much of a big deal. And I've heard a lot of people, I've heard a lot of investors, and I want to feel bad for the people who are selling and are weak. And I'm going to feel bad because Adam is about to give you $200,000 per Bitcoin. Now, Adam wants to bring in one of the biggest bull runs that you guys have ever seen, because I am running in a campaign and I'm running in a strike, and I want you to be a part of that, campaign. And I want you to tell people that Adam will bring the bulls back. It's that one. It's the hashtag. Go to the Twitter. I don't care. Make a hashtag, say that Adam will bring the bulls back, because I am about to bring the bulls back, but it's going to take a little bit of time, so do not disturb me. I'm loading things into the truck. We need greenery everywhere. I'm sick and tired of the blood. I'm sick and tired of playing bears all the time. It's time we go from south to north. So speaking of that, it's going to take time, maybe a couple of months. And to begin with, since we're off with that topic now, I think I'm going to bring back $69,000 by 2024. So keep an eye on that one. Now, let's go into the 4-hour time frame for Pepe, and let's look at what Pepe is all about. So I may be looking forward to trade Pepe, and I think it's time that I can actually have a trade a little bit here for Pepe, because we have a technical target to go up to this one right here. And I've been talking about this previously. I told you that yes, you do have a technical target, you're coming down and you're moving sideways. But now I've told you the whole scenario about Pepe on the 4-hour time frame, and the best thing about it is that you do have a break above here. Okay, you've taken out a very good break to the upside, and you could be interested to actually move up and meet this technical target right there. And be very careful, because this is where you can actually get rejected and start to go down once again. So I do believe that Pepe has a technical target to move up, but what I want to tell you is you have to be a little bit careful with the entry, because the entry still doesn't look to me like is there. Okay, it doesn't really exist. A good entry right now isn't really there, because we may be looking at a small retest right over here. Okay, I need a little bit of a drop down here for Pepe, and when you hold this particular value, which is 7,149, then I may be able to look in for an entry. Maybe spend a little bit of few hours right there, come down, spend like 4 to 5 candles here, and keep holding the retest. And once you do that, you do have an earning opportunity or a trading opportunity, and we may be looking at a price from there to there, and we're looking at 20% move to the upside. So I am looking forward for a 20% move for Pepe, because the break has been done. But be very careful. If, for example, you're looking to come down and you come down to 6,783, and you do something like this, you come down, you take this stop out, then this is going to be a massive fake out, and you're just going to come down. Maybe this is just a stop loss hunt, and then you come down, you take this out, and then you continue even lower. So all we need to see is 7,143 being held. I want to see a little bit of a retest down there, because if you look at the break right now, all you're doing is, yes, you have a very good bullish closing right there, which is a good sign. And this is 1 candle, 2, 3, 4, but you're not these candles are not holding the line just yet. So if I do zoom out, it's going to make sense, because this was your resistance right there, move down, resistance here, move down, resistance there, move down, a break above, need a retest, hold the retest. You have a whole pattern which sends you up to this technical target. So that's it for this update. And today's 28. 2 more days to close the the premium. And do message me on Twitter if you want to be a part of it, because that's where I may be able to take the trade as well, and if you can take the trade with me as well. And that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.